Okay, guys, emotions and psychology are the most important thing in trading. Once you've done all the work, once you've put in your trade, this is the hardest part for people, is to see their basically the stock go against their decision. um, I don't want you guys, this is what I want you guys to do. Once you've done the analysis that I've showed you in the previous video, do not be afraid of any movement in the market. Let the market breathe. The market is volatile. Every stock is volatile. It will go up and down, but over time it goes up in value. That's it. That's all you need to know. So even if it goes through a downhill movement in one day, do not be afraid to pull out, because the next day, and I guarantee you the next 1 or 2 days, it will go back exactly where we left off, and that's your entry point. So don't be afraid of any movement. Now, I know this is the hardest part for people, is the psychology behind this and the emotions. Trade with your brain, not with your heart. I know this is a lot of money you've invested, it's hard-earned money, but if you're protected, if you have your stop losses, and you've come to terms with what you're willing to lose, you don't have anything to worry about, guys. For me, I've done this before at the start. I just want you guys to start trading with real money before you can, and you'll know what I'm talking about. The only way to kind of get over this emotional thing is, and to basically steer away from getting a big hit when one stock goes down, is to diversify your portfolio. Have 1 or 3 stocks in the portfolio, so when something is not working, something else is always working, and that way it will balance out. So if one stock drops, the other one is always working. So make sure they're in the different categories. That's the main thing. Diversify. For example, buy a a tech stock, and then a consumer stock, staple stock like Colgate or Kerry Group, and then another one like a motor stock or whatnot, or financial stock. So these things work against each other, but over time you make money. And try to trim the profit. If you've watched my other tutorials, you'll know what I'm talking about. Trim the profit and then jump in again, wait for the other one to go up in value, and trim the profit. So this is all I wanted to say, guys. Emotions, play with your brain. And I know a lot of traders, they pull out because of this, and that's what makes a successful trader successful, is that they manage their emotions. Their psychology is their psychic is very, you've made your decision, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Just wait for it to go back in value. Do something else. Get your mind off it. I know it's hard, but that's the most important thing in trading, is that once you make a trade and you've done all the analysis, you let it breathe. You have to let the stocks breathe. They're not like, they won't just give you money. They will eat you out and chew you out. If you let them do that to you. This is what the stock market is. They have big investors in there, hedge funds, and then you've got amateurs with small amount, hard-earned money. They've worked hard for this money, and they're trading with that, and that's what really makes it attachment to it. Hedge funds don't do that, because they have, the employees are trading with other people's money. Investors like us that just want the small return, while the hedge funds keep all the other amounts of money that they make and all the profits, while we get the little crumbs. But that's why we need to kind of work on this emotion and psychology. I've worked for a hedge fund, and I know how this goes. And make sure you focus on one sector for a while, and then move on to another sector. Master that sector. Be a master at that sector. Guys, this is the end of our lesson. It's a short lesson, but I made it easy, and anyone can make money, guys. The stock market is there for anyone. Anybody can put it on a stock and make money. But the emotions, this is where you just have to let the stock breathe. All right. So, guys, I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you again for more videos. Yeah, that's it.